Our school was founded by a pair of teachers, two women determined to provide a place in this country exclusively for the education of Black women. In the course of 134 years, Spelman has become the best in the world at producing women who are global leaders of African descent. We will not rest until we can say that every single woman who enters the Spelman gates graduates with a degree in hand. Whatever our plan, it's clear that we'll need to find ways to support faculty in their teaching, as well as their research, and in the maintenance of the essential student-teacher relationship. We are a liberal arts college, and teaching and learning is at the core of our identity. Fortune 500 CEOs, leading researchers, scholars, and world-renowned artists, they want to meet you. They want to know you. They want to work with you. They want to recruit you. We hear about the incredibly rich experience of a student like Zarina Mustafa and realize how much this college has to offer.
We are becoming more independent leaders, more progressive leaders, and I'd like to see the developments that Dr. Campbell works on in her time here meet that growth that students are having. So if that's integrating more technology, getting 4G Wi-Fi, building on the arts, incorporating the arts in STEM, incorporating the arts in political science and in different majors.
There's wonderful things happening in the Division of the Arts. Recently, we've just added curatorial studies to our Department of Art and Art History. We were able to do that with generous support from a Mellon grant, and it's going to introduce our students to what it means to be a curator. You know, what's it like to curate it in a museum? There hasn't been a lot of pipelines to allow our primary student population to have access to curatorial studies. And so this is the first, it's big, it's a pilot program. We're going to start in the spring. We already have the applicants, and that's really exciting.
Sophomore.
Sophomore, wonderful. So this semester you're a sophomore?
Yes.
Wonderful.
I would like the career development and career success of graduates to reflect a technological approach to the work that they do in the liberal arts. And so if they choose biology, what is the technology in biology that makes them current and a success? If they choose a language, what is the technology in the exercise of languages that makes them current?
A significant achievement for the college in the last 100 days would have to include our project with Henry Louis Gates from Harvard, the Finding Your Roots project. At Spelman, we call it the Genes and Genealogy project. And it's funded by NSF. It allows us to have students isolate their own genomic sequence, and they can follow their genes as we study genetics in courses. And it's a way to turn STEM education into something that's very, very personal.
want every one of our sisters who attends to experience everything this college has to offer: a first-rate liberal arts education, an academic experience wrapped in the folds of internships, community engagement, global travel, undergraduate research, and the unbreakable bonds of sisterhood. The future of Spelman is quite clear. Our job is to challenge you to be your greatest self. Your job is to reach far beyond our expectations to heights we cannot even begin to imagine. Thank you.